Okay, so here's my QA tip of the day. When you're in an interview, be sure to actually give a great tell me about yourself. You know, that high level introduction that gives a great introduction of who you are, your experience, and why you are actually the one for this role and why you're applying. And don't make it so robotic. Put a little spin in it. Put a little personality in it. Let them know who you are, but at a high level, focus on your skills, knowledge, and experiences that's actually incongruent with the actual role you're going for. So stop telling them all about how much you like to travel for 2 minutes and tell them about the tools, the systems, the processes, the workflows, your accomplishments in your career, and why you actually are the one for this role. And then at the end, let them know that you love to travel and that that's a part of your personal life. But spend the bulk of your introduction actually telling them that you are the one for this role and why. So let me give it a try. Well, thanks for having me for the interview. My background includes almost 8 years of experience as a QA analyst, as a senior QA. I've been able to lead QA teams, actually also lead sprint ceremonies, also have my Scrum Master certification. I've written test cases, executed test cases, reported defects, attended sprint meetings, also contributed to sprint retrospectives and sprint reviews, as well as I have front-end testing, back-end testing, middleware testing. Some of my accomplishments have been implementing new SOPs and procedures, and I love to travel.